Good morning, students. Welcome to your science class. Students, in last 2 weeks we were discussing lesson natural resources, that is chapter 14. Today we are going to start our next topic, that is water, a wonder liquid. As we know that water occupies a large area of the earth's surface पर भी present है, and it is also found underground. Some water exists in the form of water vapor in the air, and also most of the water on the earth's surface is found in seas and oceans. Where it is found? Seas and oceans, and where it is saline. Most of the water on earth's surface is found in seas and oceans, and it is saline. Okay, it is salty, so the amount of fresh water is very less. Fresh water, if we see, it is found frozen in the ice caps at the two poles or on snow covered mountains. And the underground water and the water in the rivers, lakes and ponds, it is also fresh, but availability of fresh water, students, it varies from place to place. हर जगह के अकॉर्डिंगली ये चेंज रहती है. लाइक प्रैक्टिकली अगर आप देखें समर सीजन में मोस्ट प्लेसेस हैव टू फेस अ शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर, एंड इन रूरल एरियाज जहाँ पर वाटर सप्लाई सिस्टम जो है अभी भी बहुत अच्छी तरह से इंस्टॉल नहीं हो पाए हैं, पीपल दे आर फोर्स टू spend considerable amounts of time in fetching water from far away sources. अभी भी बहुत से गांव ऐसे हैं स्टूडेंट्स जहाँ पर पानी लाने के लिए किलोमीटर्स तक पैदल चलना पड़ता है. But why is water so necessary? Students, we say कि water is a wonder liquid, it is responsible for survival of life on earth. So why it is important for us? If we see in human beings, all the cellular processes they take place in water medium. जो हमारे intercellular processes हैं, they need water. All the chemical reactions that take place within our body and within the cells also, students, if we see, so they occur between substances which are dissolved in water. Water has the capability, water के पास बहुत capacity है to dissolve substances in it. Also, the substances which are dissolved in water, they are transported from one part of the body to other in the dissolved form. Soluble substances like nutrients हैं, so they are transported from one part to another part with the help of water. So students, if we see organisms, they also need to maintain the level of water within their bodies in order to stay alive. If you see, students, water helps our body to regulate its temperature. It also helps us to excrete the metabolic waste from the body in the form of sweat or urine. Excretion हो जाता है. Okay, removal of waste is done with the help of water. Terrestrial life forms, students, you see कि they require fresh water for their bodies, because their bodies cannot tolerate they are not able, वो इतना ज़्यादा saline water को जो इतने dissolved salts होते हैं उनको tolerate नहीं कर पाते, so they need fresh water. Thus, students, इन वजह से due to this importance of water for living beings and for other not only for human beings but for other living beings also, so water sources, they are required to be easily accessible for animals and plants. So we should conserve water, we should save water, we should not waste it. Okay, especially through rainwater harvesting, you can save that rainwater harvesting. When the water is saved for future use, rainwater is saved. The availability of water, students, decides not only the number of individuals of each species. जो पानी की अवेलेबिलिटी है स्टूडेंट्स, वो सिर्फ यही नहीं डिसाइड करता कि कितने नंबर ऑफ स्पीशीज इंडिविजुअल्स वहाँ रह रहे हैं, but also it decides the diversity of life there, variety of organisms, not only individual of one species, but the variety of life forms you can see there. Of course students, availability of water is not the only factor जो बायोडाइवर्सिटी को लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, और या फिर और इट इज responsible for survival of life on earth. Other factors are also there, like for biodiversity temperature is also important, the nature of soil is also important. But अगर हम देखा जाए तो water is also the major resource जो determine करता है, जो कंट्रोल करता है, जो रिस्पॉन्सिबल होता है for life on land. Okay, now we have our next topic, water pollution. Since water pollution, what is water pollution? If you say if we have to define what is water pollution, then an undesirable change in the physical, biological or chemical qualities of water, चाहे वो कोई फॉरेन ऑर्गेनिक मैटर ऐड हो जाए, इनऑर्गेनिक मैटर ऐड हो, कोई बायोलॉजिकल सब्सटेंस है, कोई रेडियो एक्टिव सब्सटेंस है, कोई और केमिकल सब्सटेंस हो जाता है, दैट एडवर्सली इफेक्ट द एक्वेटिक लाइफ, जो एक्वेटिक लाइफ के ऊपर हार्मफुल इफेक्ट्स डालते हो, and makes water unfit for use and we are not able to use it, then that is called water pollution. Okay, so when there are undesirable substances which are harmful for us and they get added in the water, then that is called water pollution. Now what are the major causes of water pollution? Water, students, it dissolves the fertilizers and pesticides. You know very well that fertilizers and pesticides are used during agriculture by the farmers and that we use in our farm. So some percentage, if it is used in excessive amount, these get washed off with the rainwater and they are carried to the water bodies. Okay, so then when they are added, they pollute the water. So some percentage of these substances are washed into the water bodies. Also students, if you see sewage from our towns, untreated waste है जो untreated industrial waste हो चाहे untreated sewage waste हो, when this waste comes out from the towns and cities and factories, it is also dumped into rivers or lakes. That causes water pollution. पानी को खराब कर देता है, गंदा कर देता है. Specific industries, some industries students, they use water for cooling in various operations or various purposes and later they return this hot water to water bodies, or hot water it harms the water. कैसे harmful है? Water को भी pollute करता है and also the aquatic life also, it harms the aquatic life also, because with the addition of this hot water, the temperature of the water rises and the solubility of oxygen decreases, which affects the aquatic life. Another manner in which the temperature of the water in rivers can be affected is that water when it is released from dams, जो surface water होता है, the temperature is comparatively more than the water which is at the depth. जो गहराई में पानी रहता है वो ठंडा होता है. Like the water inside the deep reservoir would be colder than the water at the surface which gets heated by the sun. तो temperature difference आ जाता है. All this can affect the life forms that are found in these water bodies in various ways. Students, like मैंने जैसा आपको बताया, solubility of oxygen reduces, soluble oxygen की availability कम हो जाती है. It can also encourage the growth of some life forms which are harmful for other life forms. So this affects the balance between various organisms. जो हमारा ecological balance है वो थोड़ा सा disturb हो जाता है. So we use the term water pollution to cover the following effects. So water pollution term जहाँ हम use कर रहे हैं students, किस किस effects को cover करते हैं हम? Number 1, the addition of undesirable substances to water bodies. And when these substances like fertilizers and pesticides or other industrial waste, so they could be poisonous substances also students, they could be salts also, chemicals also. Okay, so these can cause water pollution, and if that polluted water is consumed, so it can cause the diseases also due to the presence of some disease causing organisms, okay, like bacteria which can cause cholera. तो ये diseases भी हो सकते हैं हमें. Secondly, और क्या effect है? The removal of desirable substances from water bodies like dissolved oxygen, which is used by the animals and plants that live in water, and any change that reduces the amount of this dissolved oxygen, like अभी मैंने बताया the addition of hot water, would adversely affect these aquatic organisms. And due to this, students, other nutrients they can also get depleted from the water bodies. Okay. Now, in the last, the effect, if we see aquatic organisms, they are used to live in a certain range of temperature in water body. जहाँ रहते हैं एक कुछ temperature range तक वो रह पाते हैं. And if there is a sudden marked change in this temperature, so it would be dangerous for them, and also it affects their breeding. Okay, so because friends you can see that the some eggs, और जो eggs हैं या larva हैं कुछ aquatic animals के, sometimes they are very particularly sensitive to temperature changes. They are not able to bear the temperature changes. तो यहाँ पर जो है इनके नंबर को इंक्रीज होने में भी थोड़ा सा इफेक्ट कर सकते हैं. दे कैन इफेक्ट इन increase in their number also. Yes, students, so I hope ki the questions which are given in this worksheet, you would be able to do them on the basis of explanation of this video, and I hope you will submit your work timely also. Okay, so thank you, students. Thanks a lot.